Good morning, everybody. It's Craig back with Black Limited X, and in today's video we are going to be announcing the winners of the giveaway, so stick around for that. But first we need to stop and get us a frappe. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. That's good. All right, but on to the video, you guys. Like I said, we're going to be picking the winners for today, and I want to give a big thank you and shout out again to each and every last one of you guys for supporting me. And like I said, if you didn't win today, don't worry, this is just the first of many giveaways, so we're going to have a lot of fun with the channel. I'm going to have a lot of things to give away to you guys, so there's going to be plenty more chances. But starting off with the second place winner is going to be John Bowling. Or Bowling. I apologize if I'm pronouncing that wrong, but he is the second place winner. And then our very first prize winner is Samantha Mackenzie. So again, shout out to both of you guys. Congratulations. I will get in contact with both of you to get those prizes out to you guys, and I hope to see you all again.